This video will show you how to work with the different kind of results you might see after you complete a person or company check using Nexis Diligence. Once you define your search terms and submit your search, your results are grouped into different categories, which you can view on the snapshot page. You can use these categories to narrow your search to a specific type of document. For example, if you're researching a person, you can review a collection of legal documents in which your subject might be listed. Let's go over each of these categories. News includes published news articles about your entity. Negative news includes news articles where the entity you searched on appears in the same article as terms that are typically viewed as negative. To find these articles, Nexis Diligence adds a list of negative terms to your search query. In User Preferences, you can review this list and add or remove terms from it. Company Sources lists documents where your entity is named as a director or shareholder for an associated business or company. Sanctions and Watch Lists shows you any sanctions, wanted lists, watch lists, or blacklists on which the person or company might be listed. Politically Exposed Persons helps you identify if an entity you're screening appears on a PEP list. Biographical References and Directories shows you biographical documents and directories where a person or company is listed. Legal Sources shows any legal cases or documents where a person or company is listed as a party. In addition to these categories we just reviewed for a person search, you'll see there's one additional category available for a company search. Let's use the global search box to search for a company now. Many of the categories in the company snapshot page are the same as they were for a person snapshot. However, there is one additional category you can view. Credit Reports shows financial and credit data about a company. It can include predictive insights about an organization, as well as statistically based risk scores that can be used to identify troubled companies. Next, if you want to save the results for a specific snapshot category, click the download icon for that category. When you click Download Full Report, the top 200 results for all categories are saved to a single document, which you can then review offline or share with others. When you're ready to view specific search results, you can click on any of the categories on the snapshot page. Let's review negative news. All results pages are divided into two basic sections. Filters appear on the left pane, and the results are listed in the main section of the page. The results list includes documents, which are sorted by relevancy. You can change this order by using the Sort option to view them in newest first order. Below each document title, you can view your keywords in the context of the document. You can also view metadata about the document, including the date the document was published, the source, and how many words are in the document. When you find a document you want to view, click its title. To include a document in your final report, click Add to Report. We'll briefly cover reports a bit later. To return to the negative news results, use the breadcrumb at the top of the page. You'll notice the Your Report icon keeps track of the number of documents you've already added. To view results in the other categories, use the options under Categories. Let's view Credit Reports. This results list looks and works like the negative news results list. You can review each document and add the most relevant ones to your report. When you've reviewed all of your results and have added the documents you want to save, click Your Report. The Report Builder page appears, where you can review the report's contents and make any last-minute changes or annotations before saving it and sharing it with others. Check out our tutorial on using Report Builder. This concludes this training on working with your results list. Be sure to check out our other training videos that show the full power of using Nexis Diligence in your due diligence process.